Hello, today I'm talking about window functions. Now, these are really useful in BI because they help you do things like calculate rolling averages. But the SQL here can get quite complicated and it's very easy to make mistakes. And sometimes your users want a 3-month or a 4-month or a 5-month rolling average, and you don't want to have to be guessing everything ahead of time. However, in Lightdash, we make it really easy for you through our AI agents, which will do all of the hard work for you. So here, I've just asked for a 3-month rolling average order profit. Now, Lightdash is going to go away. It's going to use all the context in your DBT and your Lightdash semantic layer, and it's going to hopefully give me the right chart that I need with all the information I need without having to have created this as a metric or a table calculation beforehand. You can see here it's doing a rolling average, it's found the right explore, and it's given me a new visualization. Oh, and we have a nice Lightdash update too. And here we go. You can see here we've got the green line is the profit, and the blue line is the 3-month rolling average profit. Thank you very much.